The story of Iranian Samorg family drones began with hunting the beast of Kandahar. On December 4, 2011, the Iranian Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Aerospace Force managed to take control of an advanced U.S. drone named Lockheed Martin RQ-170 Sentinel, known as the Beast of Kandahar. The stealth RQ-170 drone had entered Iran's airspace to collect information and espionage, and finally, through processes, Iran managed to override its controls and landed it near the town of Bardaskan. In May 12, 2014, during Iran's commander-in-chief's visit to the IRGC Aerospace Forces Achievements Exhibition, it was stated that the Iranian armed forces had succeeded in obtaining all the software information of this bird and had obtained images from all the bases where this bird was present. During the same visit, it was also announced that a 15% scale version has flown successfully and 240% and 100% scale versions will be flown in the same year. Also, General Hajizadeh, the commander of IRGC Aerospace Force, stated that this drone will also be armed with missiles. In November 2014, a video of the successful flight of this bird was published. In 2016, during Admiral Shamkhani's visit to the IRGC Aerospace Force Achievements Exhibition, new variants of this series of UAVs named Shahed 181 were unveiled. 2 years later, Shahed 191 was unveiled during the Iqtidar 40 exhibition. It should be noted that both Shahed 181 and Shahed 191 drones are 60% scale version of Shahed 171 drone. The Shahed stealth drone family includes 5 combat and reconnaissance types, each of which is measured in terms of its size compared to the RQ-170 or Shahed 171 drone. In this way, the Shahed 171 drone, which is nicknamed Samorg, is a 100% scale version and completely identical to the RQ-170 Sentinel, and the two Shahed 191 and 181 drones, which carry the nickname of Saygay, are both 60% scale version of the Shahed 171. In addition to the previous 3 variants, there are 2 Shahed 141 and 161 drone, both of which are 40% scale version of Shahed 171 in terms of dimensions. It should be noted that there are also 2 civilian variants of this drone. The first variant is the initial 15% scale version used for flight testing, and the second variant is a 60% scale version that is used for cloud seeding. In this way, the number of Shahed 171 stealth drones reaches 7. The importance of downing of the RQ-170 was very high, so that after landing this drone, the Iranians realized how much modern technology was used in it at once. Advanced lightweight materials were used in the structure and body of this UAV, and there was a special coating and color on the body. The use of a very advanced engine, an advanced camera with high accuracy and range, and a very advanced synthetic aperture radar, SAR, are among the other disclosed equipment of this extremely valuable American drone. These features, along with the use of flying wing design, made it one of the most advanced drones in the world. Therefore, this drone is considered the most important drone captured by Iran in the last few decades. It can even be considered one of the most important trophies obtained after World War II.